Okay, next we're going to show you how to fill out the Cart Mob tracker. Once the Cart Mob sheet is all filled out from the evening before, and this, remember, that's what this looks like, the Cart Mob nightly report card. This is in the Google Drive. Again, I showed you how to do that earlier. Double click this. This is the Cart Mob tracker. This shows you a preview of it. Open with Google Sheets. Now you can edit it once this loads up. Okay, so in this example we're using one from a kid named Addison Brewer. So you know how to fill this out, so let's see how he did. This is the Morrison Lake tracker. So 4, 1, 1. So far he's done pretty well. 1, 1, 2, 1, 4, 1. Brought out 22 carts. He had 22 carts cleaned, and out of those, 2 of them were dirty, which gives him a score of 36 out of 38, and that ended up being 94.7, but we'll give him the benefit of the doubt, give him a 95. Now you've got it here. This was on April 30th, we'll say. Just type in a 95. Done deal. Now let's say on May 1st he works again, and this time he gets 100%. He's at 100%. We can go down here, and he earned himself a perfect day, so I'll put that there. Now let's say he worked on May 2nd. He got a 94%. Remember, he has to be at 95 or higher. This is a strike. So he has a strike. He also, because of his 100%, we need to see him get some more so he can get a dart. But that's the Cart Mob tracker. Pretty straightforward and pretty good. Now he'll get a chance to throw darts, and we'll just update that. If he wins any money, mark that down too. So pretty easy. If you have any questions, let me know.